Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Life 509 for a new workout session. As you can see, I'm already seated on the floor because we are going to use only the mat today. We are going to work our core, our abs today. So today's session is for both beginners and intermediate. The only thing is when I will say modification, that means it's for the beginners. Modifications are easier for beginners. And psychologically, it's a good thing for you to motivate you. The fact that you know that you are working out with intermediate or advanced people. So it makes it even more challenging for you to do the same workout. Just make sure you do the basic version and you will have even more satisfaction. We are going to start, but before we do, I'm inviting you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Like, comment, and share the video. And also you can make suggestions to let us know what type of workout you would like or what you think of our workout, so that we can improve our future sessions. So now we are starting with warm up. We are going to warm up the parts we are going to use, like our shoulders and arms. I am Carla with you, by the way. We change the other way. Okay. Okay, now we turn to the left, to the right. Okay, back and forth. That's really good. I can feel it. We start slowly, okay, with some basic crunch. We did it in the last session. Okay, it's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will activate your abs. One last time. Okay. As our second move. 1, 2. It's the modification. You can stay here or you can stretch the legs. 3, 4, go. For beginners and for more advanced, Okay, we breathe for 5 seconds. Let's breathe in and out. And we start over with this series of 2 exercises. As you can see, I stay on my tiptoe. One last time. Next move. Go. Annie, go. Challenge yourself. Try to stretch the legs. All right. I'm starting to feel it. I'm feeling the abs. One last time, we repeat the set. First move, crunch. Okay. Now side crunches for beginners. And for advanced, oh, that's good. Let's breathe a little bit. Let's take a 20-second break. And we come back with the second set of 3 moves. We stay on the floor. It's another type of the first move. We start with the legs raised and we lower the stretched leg to 25 degrees. Go. If you want to push harder, keep both feet joined. Let's go on our hands and legs. We are doing mountain climbers. Or modified version, you can stay on your knees and go with one leg separately. For beginners, that's for you. 3, 4, go. Woo! Okay, third move. Legs are raised. We spread the legs on the bottom. We close and we go up. For beginners, you can keep the legs like this. Just do the circle moves with the knees. Okay. Like an infinity sign. This move is really good for your abs, mostly lower abs. And it's hard too, but you got this. Now we are going to repeat the set of 3 moves. We stay on our back, legs are raised, and then straight. Challenge yourself. Keep it going. You better do 4 of them and you do it well instead of doing 10 and it's not good. We are betting on quality, okay? Quality over quantity. One last time on each leg. Okay. Next move, mountain climbers. You can either stay on your knees or on your foot. Five more to go. And we go back on our back. Can you see the sweat? Legs are raised. 3, 4, go. Spread the leg and go back up. Or keep the legs folded. That's for beginners. That's the modified version. Do circle moves with the knees. Or to push it harder, stretch the legs. Last one. I feel it. And we repeat the set. One last time. It's good. Breathe, breathe. Straighten the legs. It's good. Let's keep our smile. Yes, to convince our brain that we are having fun, that we are enjoying it. Keep the smile. Last one on each side. It's good, it's good. Now, mountain climbers. On the knees or on the feet. If you want that six-pack, you have to work for it. It's not gonna hit you, and you're not gonna have it overnight. You need to sweat for it. Let's get those abs on fire. It's hard for me too. Okay. It's hard, but it's good. Last set of our abs workout session. Let's sit down. And now we'll do Russian twist. Let's relax our back. Let's release the tension. Let's sit on our butt and bend to the back. Russian twists are very good for abs. You can do them with weight, small weight, or without. It's just to show you. Because the weight will accentuate the move. 3, 4, go. See, you twist your upper body totally on each side. Two more to go, and that's it. You can go at your own pace. And we end this set with planks. That's the modified version. You stay on your knees and on your elbows. Or to push it harder, you stay on your tiptoe. And we go down on the legs in alternance. Three, 4, go. I forgot my towel again today. And I'm sweating like crazy. I'm just melting like butter. Wash and twist. Let's repeat the set. Go. Allez, go. Plank. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, guys. I can do it on my own. I need you with me. Let's go. Either on your knees. When it's too hard for you, go down on your knees. Ten more to go. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. One last time. One last rep of this 2-move set. Hasta la victoria siempre. Russian twist. Get ready. Go. The last set, we must do it with even more power, more motivation, so that you can earn this victory. Let's own it. 8, 7, 6, 3, 2. Plank. One last time. One very last time. And we hit the line. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Victory! Woo! And it's over. We own this. We did it. Now let's cool down. Let's take the child pose. Let's get up and get the chest up in cobra. Let's get to cobra again. Okay. Let's breathe in, arched. Let's breathe down, curved. Okay, like cow, cat. Breathe in, breathe out. One last time. Breathe out. Oh, it's good. It's so relieving. Let's stretch the triceps and the obliques. Now to the right. Let's straight to the side. And we look to the back. The other side. Okay, that was so good. It was so good that I can't believe it. I hope you see how I'm sweating. And believe me, it's one of the best things for your skin when you exercise and you sweat that much. It takes away all those grease in your skin, the filth, and it cleans the skin. And after that, you take a cold shower, not a hot one. Sport is good for everything, even for beauty. I don't know what else to tell you to convince you to work out. But I'm sure I don't have to say much to you, because if you are here, that means you are convinced that it's good for you. It's good for your health, thoroughly. And don't forget to drink water to stay hydrated. And stay on this channel to live our fit life together. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share and comment the videos. And of course, join the channel as a member to support financially if you like what we are doing on this channel. See you soon. Bye bye.